Welcome. Today we're bringing you the top 5 best SDR transceivers, the most powerful, versatile, and value-packed options out there. If you're looking to get an SDR, this video will help you figure out exactly which model is perfect for you. Let's dive in and find the ideal SDR together. Item number 5. The Xiegu G90 is a powerful 20-watt HF amateur radio transceiver built on advanced SDR architecture. Covering 0.5 to 30 MHz, it supports SSB, CW, AM, and FM modes for versatile operation. Its detachable display unit offers flexible setup, while the built-in auto antenna tuner makes configuration effortless. Featuring a 1.8-inch color TFT display, real-time spectrum and waterfall views, and a dynamic range of 90 dB, the G90 delivers crystal-clear communication. Compact, lightweight, and user-friendly, it's a perfect choice for both seasoned operators and beginners alike. Item number 4. The Xiegu G106 is a compact, 5-watt QRP transceiver designed for portability and versatility. With a frequency range of 0.55 to 30 MHz, it covers the full HF spectrum, including work bands. It supports SSB, CW, and AM modes, plus wide FM reception in the 88 to 108 MHz range. Built on SDR architecture with 16-bit sampling, the G106 delivers clear performance, even with weak signals. It also features a digital CW filter and is ready for digital modes like FT8 with an optional adapter. Perfect for entry-level HF exploration. Item number 3. The Xiegu X6100 is a compact, all-mode HF 50 MHz SDR transceiver packed with advanced features for serious operators. It delivers up to 10 watts of output power with an external supply and 5 watts on its built-in 3500 mAh battery. The X6100 features a 4-inch high-resolution color display, a built-in automatic antenna tuner, and an integrated standing wave scanner. With Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB connectivity, it supports wireless audio and digital operations. Lightweight, powerful, and portable, the X6100 is the perfect choice for field and base station use alike. Item number 2. The Xiegu X6200 is a high-performance portable SDR transceiver designed for modern amateur radio operators. Built on advanced RF direct sampling technology, it covers HF and 50 MHz full modes, including WFM and aviation band reception. The X6200 features a built-in automatic antenna tuner, high receiver sensitivity, and low noise for crystal-clear communication. With its compact, travel-friendly design, it's perfect for both field and home use. Plus, it supports remote control, USB data transfer, and digital modes like FT8, making it a true all-in-one SDR solution. Item number 1. The USDX V2 is a compact all-mode SDR QRP transceiver designed for versatility and portability. Covering 8 HF bands from 80 to 10 meters, it supports SSB, CW, AM, and FM modes with 3.5 watts of RF output. Featuring a 1602N LCD screen, built-in speaker, and CAT PC connectivity, it's ideal for digital modes like FT8 and JS8. With excellent efficiency, a precision TCXO for stability, and DSP-based noise reduction, the USDX Plus V2 delivers outstanding performance for both beginners and seasoned amateur radio operators. Which of these SDR transceivers is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.